toners. When your device starts to run low on toner, a message will appear on the screen advising black toner low. If you are on our proactive print watch system, a replacement toner will already be on its way. If not, you will need to place an order with our customer services team. You will receive another message on the screen when the toner has actually run out, advising black toner empty. If you wish, the machine can be configured to send an email notification automatically when the toner is low, empty, or both. To change your toner, open the front panel of the device. Here you will see your toners across the top. Place your hand around the bottom of the empty toner and pull. The empty bottle should just pop out, and then this can be placed into your recycling. Remove the new toner from its packaging and place in the empty slot. Make sure you push all the way in and then close the door.